Welcome to the Global Kitchen, where we explore mouth-watering recipes from around the world. The Global Kitchen isn't just a place, it's a journey, a culinary adventure that transcends borders, bringing the world's flavors right to your dining table. Imagine the sizzling spices of India, the rich aroma of Italian espresso, the vibrant colors of Mexico's traditional dishes, all wrapped into one divine experience. Yes, that's the magic of the Global Kitchen, an adventure for the senses, an exploration of the world's most tantalizing tastes, textures, and aromas. Today, we're about to embark on a gastronomic journey, sampling 3 of the most delectable dishes from 3 corners of the globe. Each recipe, a testament to the rich culinary heritage of its country, is a symphony of flavors that promises to delight your palate. First stop, Italy, the land of La Dolce Vita, where we'll delve into the art of making an authentic tiramisu. This classic Italian dessert, with its layers of espresso-soaked ladyfingers, rich mascarpone cream, and a dusting of cocoa, promises a sublime experience that's nothing short of a sweet dream. Next, we travel to the vibrant land of India, a country renowned for its rich spices and flavors. Here, we'll learn how to whip up a delicious butter chicken, a creamy, tangy, and spicy dish that's sure to set your taste buds on fire. It's a dish that's as diverse as the country itself, with every bite revealing a new layer of flavor. Finally, we'll journey to the heart of Mexico, where we'll discover the art of making chiles rellenos. This traditional dish, with its stuffed peppers, oozing cheese, and tangy tomato sauce, is a true taste of Mexican culture, offering a burst of flavors that's as vibrant and colorful as Mexico itself. Prepare your taste buds as we embark on this culinary journey around the world. Our first destination is Italy, known for its rich and decadent tiramisu. Let's embark on a culinary journey to Italy, the birthplace of tiramisu. This delightful dessert is a symphony of flavors and textures, combining the richness of mascarpone cheese with the boldness of coffee, the lightness of ladyfingers, and a dusting of cocoa powder for that final touch of elegance. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need ladyfingers, a type of light and delicate biscuit that forms the base of our tiramisu. Next, we'll require some strong coffee to soak our ladyfingers in and give them that robust, caffeinated kick. Now, the heart of tiramisu, the mascarpone cheese. It's a creamy, mild cheese that adds a luxurious richness to our dessert. We'll also need eggs and sugar to whip up into a sweet and frothy mixture. Lastly, we'll need some cocoa powder for that final dusting that adds a hint of bitterness to balance out the sweetness. Now let's dive into the process. We start by soaking the ladyfingers in coffee. This might seem unusual, but it's this soaking that gives the ladyfingers a soft, sponge-like texture and infuses them with the bold flavor of coffee. Once they're nicely soaked, we'll layer them in a dish, creating the base of our tiramisu. Next, we'll whip up our mascarpone mixture. We'll beat the eggs and sugar together until they're light and fluffy, then gently fold in the mascarpone cheese until it's all beautifully combined. This creamy mixture is then spread over our ladyfinger base. We'll repeat these layers until our dish is filled to the brim with Italian goodness. Finally, we'll dust the top with cocoa powder. This isn't just for aesthetics. The cocoa powder adds a slight bitterness that perfectly offsets the sweetness of the other ingredients. There you have it, a creamy and rich Italian tiramisu that's sure to impress. So ready to take a bite into this slice of Italy? Next, we jet off to India, the home of flavorful and aromatic butter chicken, a dish that's as rich in history as it is in taste. Originating from the vibrant streets of Delhi, this comfort food has won the hearts of food lovers worldwide. Let's delve into the heart of this dish, the ingredients. Butter chicken is a symphony of flavors that require a few key components. Tender pieces of chicken, plain yogurt for the marinade, a blend of aromatic spices like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala, ripe tomatoes for the base, unsalted butter, and a generous pour of cream. Each ingredient plays a vital role in creating this culinary masterpiece. The process begins with marinating the chicken. The chicken is bathed in a mix of yogurt and spices, allowing it to soak up all the flavors. This isn't a quick dip, but a leisurely soak, preferably overnight. The longer the chicken marinates, the deeper the flavors seep in, resulting in a more tender and flavorful dish. Once the chicken has marinated, we move on to cooking. In a hot pan, the chicken is seared to golden perfection, sealing in all the delicious flavors. Then comes the tomato and spice mixture, simmering slowly until it forms a vibrant, fragrant sauce. This is the canvas on which the rest of the dish is painted. The final act in this culinary performance is the addition of butter and cream. As the butter melts into the tomato sauce, it adds a velvety richness that's simply irresistible. The cream, on the other hand, lends a luxurious finish, balancing the robust flavors with its smooth, mild taste. And there you have it, a dish that's a tapestry of flavors, each thread as important as the other. A dish that's not just food, but an experience, a journey. A dish that embodies the spirit of India, with its bold flavors and comforting warmth. And voila, a delectable Indian butter chicken that's a feast for the senses. Lastly, we land in Mexico, the origin of the spicy and satisfying chiles rellenos. This dish is a testament to the Mexican love for heat, flavor, and cheesiness, all wrapped into one mouth-watering package. To begin, we'll need some large chilies. Poblano peppers are the traditional choice, known for their mild heat and robust flavor. Next, a block of cheese. Queso fresco or Monterey Jack work beautifully. We'll also need eggs and all-purpose flour for the batter. First, let's tackle the chilies. These need to be roasted, which brings out their deep, earthy flavor. You can do this over a gas stove, in the oven, or even on the grill. Once they're charred on all sides, place them in a bowl and cover it with a towel. This allows them to steam a bit, making the skin easier to peel off. With the skins peeled, we're ready to stuff these chilies. Make a small slit down one side of each chili and remove the seeds. Then, stuff each one with a generous amount of cheese. Now, they're starting to look like chiles rellenos. But we're not done yet. These stuffed chilies need to be battered and fried to achieve that crispy golden exterior. For the batter, separate the egg whites from the yolks. Beat the whites until they form stiff peaks, then gently fold in the yolks and a dusting of flour. Dip each stuffed chili into this fluffy egg batter, making sure it's fully coated. Then, it's into a hot pan with enough oil to cover the bottom. Fry until golden brown, flipping once to ensure even cooking. When they're cooked to perfection, these chiles rellenos should be crispy on the outside, with a gooey, cheesy center and a kick of heat from the chili. Serve them hot, perhaps with a side of rice and beans, or even a dollop of sour cream to balance the heat. And there you have it, a delicious Mexican chiles rellenos, bursting with flavor. And that wraps up our culinary journey around the world. We've sauntered through the aromatic kitchens of Italy, savoring the sweet, creamy layers of tiramisu, a dessert so decadent, it leaves you longing for another spoonful. We've then navigated the spice-laden trails of India, where the butter chicken reigns supreme. This dish, with its rich tomato gravy and tender chicken pieces, truly is a symphony of flavors for your palate. Our voyage then took us to the vibrant heart of Mexico, where the chiles rellenos awaited us. A beautiful medley of fiery chili peppers stuffed with cheese and then fried to perfection, a true testament to Mexico's love for bold flavors and textures. Each recipe, an ambassador of its country's culinary heritage, has its own unique flavors and techniques that make it stand out. Thank you for joining us on this global culinary adventure. Until next time, happy cooking!